Hello, my dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 6. Today, we are going to discuss a very important topic, and that is place value and expansion of numbers. Place value and expansion of numbers. In the previous years or in the previous classes, we learned about the Indian system of numeration, isn't it? So, in Indian system of numeration, we learned a place value chart. So, we will revise that chart once again here, and after that we will move to the questions. So, look at this place value chart. This is the Indian place value chart. And in Indian place value chart, there are some places and in some periods are given. So the places are ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crores place, 10 crores place. And for denoting ones we can write O, for denoting tens we can write T, for hundreds we can write H, thousands we can write TH, and 10,000s TTH, lakhs L, 10 lakhs TL, crores C, 10 crores TC. Okay, so which are the places? Yes, that are ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, crores place, 10 crores place. And do you know what are periods? The periods means ones place, tens place and hundreds place together called ones period. Okay, ones place, tens place, hundreds place together called ones period. Then thousands place and 10,000s place together called thousands period. Lakhs place and 10 lakhs place together called lakhs period. Then crores place and 10 crores place together called crores period. Okay, so ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. These all are the periods according to Indian place value chart. Okay, my dears. So these periods will and these places, this will help us to read and write the bigger numbers easily. Okay, so now we will discuss some questions based on this type. Children, these questions are from our textbook, page number 6. So, read and expand the numbers wherever there are blanks. So, we will discuss these questions. Here we will study how to name the number and how to expand the number. So, to name and expand a number, a bigger number, we can use the place value chart. That will make it easy. Okay. So look here, the first digit or first number is a 5-digit number. Okay, we will write this number in the place value chart. Okay, and we know we have to arrange the digits in place value chart from the right side. That is from the ones place. Okay, always start from the ones place. So the ones place digit we will write in the place value chart, and that is 0, and the tens place digit is also 0, so we can write that here. Then the hundreds place digit is 0, and the thousands place digit is also 0, and the 10,000s place digit is 2. Okay, so 2 in 10,000s and 0 in thousands, 0 in hundreds, 0 in tens and 0 in ones. Okay, dears. So now look at this number place value chart and tell me how we can read it. 2 in 10,000s place. So 2 10,000s place number, and 10,000 place and thousands place together comes in thousands period. Okay, when we are reading the numbers, we are taking periods. Okay, we are taking it together as period. So 2 and 0 together makes 20. 20 thousands. What it is? 20 thousands. 20 thousands. The rest of the digits are 0. That's why the answer is 20 thousands. So how to read this number? It is 20,000. And how to expand this number? Yeah, the now digit 2 is in 10,000's place. So 2 into 10,000 is the expansion. The rest of the places are 0. That's why we are not writing that here. Otherwise we can write 2 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. Okay. So all the other places are 0. That's why we are writing only 2 into 10,000 here. Got it, children? Got it? How to write the expanded form and number name? All right. Okay. Now look at the second number. Here the second number is 26000. So arrange this number also in the place value chart. It is 0, 0, 0, 6 and 2. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. We arranged the number in the place value chart. Now read it. Yes, 10,000 and 1000 together read as thousands period, isn't it? So 2 and 6 together, that is 26 thousands. 26 thousands. Rest of the place are 0. So 26,000 is the number name. Look here, 26,000. And how to write the expanded form? 2 is in 10,000's place. So 2 into 10,000 plus 6 in thousands place. So 6 into 1000. The rest of the places are 0. So no need to write. So 2 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000 is the expanded form. Now let's do the next one. Okay. So the next number is 38400. So arrange this number in the place value chart. 0, 0, 4, then 8 and 3. Okay. Now read this number. 3, 8, 10,000 and 1000. Both together comes in 1000 spirit, isn't it? So 38 thousands, then 400. 4 in hundreds place. Okay. 400. The rest of the digits are 0. So 400. That's enough. That's it. Okay. So 38,400 is the number name. 38,400. Got it? And how we can expand? 3 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1000 plus 4 into 100. 3 into 10,000 is 30,000, isn't it? So if I am writing 30,000 plus 8,000 plus 400, that also right. Okay, children? Okay. Now let's do the next one also. The next digit number is 65740. So let's arrange this in the place value chart. 0, 4, 7, 5, 6. Now look how to read this number. 65,740. That is 40. So 65,740. Okay. And how to expand? 6 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 4 into 10. Okay. So this is the way to expand this number also. Okay, children. Is it clear? Okay. Now I am going to show you some more questions that everyone try to answer yourself. Okay. Children, look at the next questions. Yes. Here the numbers are given, the 5-digit numbers are given, you have to write the number name of these numbers, and after that you have to expand these numbers. Okay, so everyone try to do. So here this number is a 5-digit number, and 0 in ones place, this 0 is in tens place, this is in hundreds place, the 0 is in thousands place, and 5 is in 10,000s place. So these two numbers together comes the thousands period, and these all three digits comes in ones period. How to read this number? Yes, 50,000. Yes, 50,000. And how to expand this number? Yeah, 5 into 10,000. That is 50,000. 5 into 10,000. Very good. Now look at the next question. Here the first these zeros comes in ones period, and 1 and 4 comes in thousands period. So how to read this number? 41,000. Very good. So 41,000. And how to expand this number? That is 4 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1000. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can use this place value chart. You can arrange this number in the place value chart, then it will be more clear. Okay, so 41,000 we can write as 4 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1,000. My dears, if I am writing 4 into 10,000 as 40,000 and 1 into 1,000 as 1,000, that is 40,000 plus 1,000. Is that right? Yes, we can expand it like this also. That is 40,000 plus 1,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 41,000. Okay. Now look at the next one. Yes, this is the number 47,300. How to write? 47,300. And we can expand this as 4 in 10,000's place. So 4 become 40,000. 7 in thousands place. So 7 is 7,000, and 3 in hundreds place. So it is 300. And rest of the places are 0. So no need to mention. Okay. So 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 is the expanded form. Now look at the next one. How to read? That is 57,630. 57,630. Okay. And the expanded form is 50,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 30. Okay. 50,000 plus 7,000 plus 600 plus 30. Now look at the next one. How to read it? Yeah. 29,485. 29,485. How to expand? 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 5. Isn't it? Yes. Now the next is 29,085. Here the hundreds place digit is 0. Okay. So we can read it as 29,085. And the expansion is 2 in 10,000's place, isn't it? So 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 0 plus. Why it is 0? Because hundreds place is not here. If you are skipping that 0, no problem. Okay, then 80 plus 5. Okay, this is the way of the expansion of this number. Now look at the next one. How to read the next number? It is 20,085. 20,085. Expansion is 20,000 plus 80 plus 5. Okay. Now look at the last number. It is 20,005. Because the thousands place, hundreds place, and tens place, all these three places are 0. So the number we can read as 20,005. And how to expand? Yes, it is 20,000 plus 5. Okay, this is the expansion. Okay, my dears, now I am giving you homework. Write 5 more 5-digit numbers, read them and expand them. Everyone write 5 more 5-digit numbers and you write how to read that and how to expand that. Okay, so everyone practice this very well. Okay, so shall we move to the next question? Okay. Look here, children. These questions also from our textbook, page number 7. Okay. Here given numbers are 6-digit numbers, not 5-digit numbers. These are 6-digit numbers. So here we have to write the number name and expansion of these 6-digit numbers. Okay. So for this, let's take a place value chart also. Okay. So look at this number. It is 0 in ones place, tens place, 100 place, thousands place, 10,000 place and lakhs place. This digits comes up to lakhs place. So how to read this number? 3 lakh. How to read it? 3 lakh. Okay. And the expansion is 3 into 1 lakh. The 3 comes in lakhs place, so expansion is 3 into 1 lakh. Now look at the next number. Here 3 comes in lakhs place, 5 and zeros are in thousand spirit and these zeros are in 1 spirit. Okay, so we can read it as 3 lakh 50,000. How to read? 3 lakh 50,000. So 3, we can expand it as 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1000. All the rest of the numbers are 0. So we can stop here. 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000. Okay, this is the expansion. Now look at the next one. Yeah, it is 3 lakh 53,500. Okay, 3 lakh 53,500. So the expansion is 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100. Got it, children? This way we can expand. Now answer the next one. How to read this number? Yes, 4 in lakhs place, isn't it? So 4 lakhs 57,928. 4 lakh 57,928. And the expansion is 4 lakh plus 50,000 plus 7,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 8. Okay. Now the next is 4 lakh 7,928. 4 lakh 7,928. And the expansion is 4 lakh plus 10,000 place is 0. So no need. And 7,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 8. Now next we can read as 4 lakh 829. 4 lakh 829. And the expansion is 4 lakh plus 800 plus 20 plus 9. Okay. Now next is 4 lakh 29. Okay. 4 lakh plus 20 plus 9 is the expanded form. Got it, children? Okay. So today we learned how to read and expand a 5-digit number and a 6-digit number both. So everyone practice these questions and study well. I am winding up. Thank you.